Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a little boy named Ahmed. Every evening, after finishing his chores, he would sit by his bedroom window and look far across the fields. In the distance, on a hill, there was a house with shining golden windows. The boy would stare at it for hours, wondering how beautiful life must be inside that house. He thought to himself, if only I could live there, I would be the happiest boy in the world. One day, Ahmed gathered his courage and decided to visit the house with the golden windows. He walked for miles under the hot sun, his heart filled with excitement. Finally, when he reached the hill, he saw the house closely. To his surprise, the windows were just simple glass, dusty and old. There was nothing golden about them. Disappointed, Ahmed asked the owner of the house, "Why do your windows look so golden from far away?" The kind man smiled and said, "It is the sunlight that makes them glow. But come, let me show you something." He took Ahmed to the window and pointed across the fields. To Ahmed's shock, he saw a house glowing with golden windows in the distance. It was his own home. At that moment, Ahmed realized the truth. He already had the golden windows he dreamed of, but he was too busy admiring others to see his own blessings. He returned home with a smile, grateful for what he had. Moral: sometimes, what we seek far away is already with us. Happiness comes from appreciating our own blessings.